kwara. Me with some small girl be a very small girl. The name pimples to cramp on yan free the name. On what the radio so as Santiago say, Kennedy Japan in Nigeria, Sabio, Nigerian Juma or a refien to Kennedy. Hey, Aquara or started boon in 10 years. Pimples the whole the nim. Pimples at the whole the nim. That means she is still a kid. Ultimately, radio so because or your baumia communicator. Because or your MPP I buy you are Sebio Mimi see me probia manage to toilet so cry memfano sa kwara to radio so I can say oh honorable there or no enyinti na adwene no or bodam on kai akwara ketekete na yankan just o mama yakwase ansa na what say aka so mama yakwase akwara ketekete hwe de nimu pimples or the wo o de hanky for the nima ne ho fin akwara we bien nante no de what the hanky fan na asia. Then because of politics a very dirty kid akwara de wo fin hwe ne sia gu nanum yellow just a bema crampon shall and shade can say sebio oh kan ye ana just say no one pon sisi no so who should a new pimple. She's just a kid. Na MPP for Bawomian crash the say koka some way Kennedy. What did Kennedy say wrong in this interview? Some question for we. Nankwara Michelle Bere who is Saddam say, hey, where have we got into? Politics. Enkwara toto fefe. Enkwara omudros ndudu. Small kid. Enkwara they don't deserve say their names should be mentioned on bigger platforms like this. Now, because of politics in tea. Sankwara we di Kennedy atem say I Kennedy no honorable no ono nyirinti na okosha akwara say ekoyi ni papa picture bekyere wa sa akwara ho yefa uhu od ba nanim na uhu akwara we ni atam ne papa ye de ne hwewa uhu ni papa uhu akwara we papa. And these are the problems. And you ask yourselves, is this the party now Mahmoud Bawumia say sa party way it is a party omo back together. Where in this party? Because you can see clearly, say Bawumia machinery, they have basically oiled the machine up to go after Kennedy. Say Kennedy Bowa cry, they will insult the guy.